Dear students, I am continuing this video, but I don't know what has happened. It stopped suddenly. So we were discussing about writing a diary. So that is one of the good habits we have ever maintained. And I don't know when it stopped, so I will repeat the diary things. One sample is there. So I was sure I would get full marks in maths, but I got only 85. So how disappointing. There are several mistakes in my answers. I was proud I didn't check my answers, though I finished 15 minutes earlier. I must be careful in future. So now this was the diary written by Joseph. Particular date means whenever he will refer for next maths paper, he would be knowing his mistake so that he would not be committing the mistakes again. On 16th August 2020, 8:15 p.m. I made a serious mistake this afternoon. I shouted at Meena when she teased me. She is a close friend. She has a freedom to tease me, but I was in a bad mood at that time. I was irritated by her words when I shouted at her. Simply, she smiled and was quiet. How tolerant she was. What a nice girl. I am very sorry indeed for what I did. I must cultivate self control, Durga. Okay, this is also fine, and this will make you this will control your anger and all that, so that you can further, while if doing anything, you can think before you act, like that. So you have to write the following diaries, complete it. Three are situations are given, so you please try to write it. Now we'll be discussing essay writing. Essay writing is also an important part and parcel of English literature. An essay is a short piece of writing about a subject. The word essay literally means an attempt. Word essay literally means an attempt. So, the essay which you are set to write at school are really trial exercises or attempts to express your thoughts in good English. Here are few hints on the procedure. You should have a clear idea of the topic on which you have to write. Think about the topic carefully and set down the points as they come to in your mind. Then, being related ideas together and group them in paragraphs. Take care about the structure of each paragraph and then the order in which the paragraphs are to be put. Just as it is important to connect your sentences within a paragraph, it is necessary to interlink your paragraphs also. Means you have to think what you are writing and then you have to proceed with the same. So this is very important in essay writing, means attempt to write. The paragraphs should be arranged in a logical order so that thoughts may flow smoothly from one paragraph to another. So it should be in relativity, it should be in connectivity. You should not change the topic from one paragraph to another paragraph, but you should continue the same things, and you should try to elaborate the ideas. You can give your own ideas, you can put some quotations, some special sayings are there, so you can do that also to enlarge your essay. Pay special attention to the beginning and ending of the essay. See that the introduction arouses interest and the conclusion is effective and satisfying, so that whoever reads should be getting something from that, and it should convey that what you have regarding the particular topic in mind. There are several types of essays. You need not learn about them in this stage. In class 8 you will learn about essay writing in detail and strengthen your ability to write essay. One example they have given: my aim in life. So if you read it well, you'll be knowing what you should write and how the topic is related. The author is trying to relate the topic. My aim in life is to be a teacher and mold the character of thousands of boys and girls. Wow, very good idea. Teaching is regarded as the noblest profession, so we should be happy with that because we are also teachers. My ambition is to do justice to this profession. The word education is derived from a Latin word which means draw out. See, word education means to draw out. The main aim of education is to draw out or develop the faculties of mind. A true teacher not only teaches a particular subject efficiently but also guides the students to make the best use of their faculties. I wish to be a teacher of this type. A good teacher can transform fools into wise. We should try always to elaborate things. So, a good teacher can transform a fool into wise people and bad people into good ones. According to Vishnu Sharma, the author of Panchatantra, a good teacher is one who can teach the dullest students. Vishnu Sharma taught the three stupid sons of King Amar Shakti. During their studies, the three princes secured a great deal of wisdom and acquired ability to rule over the kingdom efficiently. My aim is to become a teacher like Vishnu Sharma. So, an ideal teacher cultivates good habits and good character so that he can set example to the students. A teacher's character has stronger influence on the students than his teaching. When I become a teacher, I will help the students by both precept and example to cultivate discipline and face life successfully. Alexander the Great said about his teacher Aristotle, I am indebted to my father for living, to my teacher for living worthily. I shall have fulfilled my aim if similar words are said about me after I become a teacher. So Alexander, what he said about his great teacher Aristotle, I am indebted to, म्हणजे मैं कर्जदार हूँ मेरे पिताजी का. माई टीचर फॉर लिविंग वर्दिली, म्हणजे मुझे ऐसे टीचर मिले और जीने का उसमें कुछ मतलब हुआ. I shall have fulfilled my aim if similar words are said about me after I become a teacher. म्हणजे इनका कहना है कि अगर मेरे लिए भी ऐसा कोई वर्ड बोलता है तो मैं उसके लिए ये रहूँगा, ऋणी रहूँगा और मेरा टीचर होना सार्थक हो जाएगा. So now you have to write similar essays on uh, your aim in life, an important day in your life, the person you like most, how spent your last holidays, a cricket, tennis, football match. So all are different topics. Your aim in life, you should write your own aim and you can select some points from this and elaborate like that. An important day in your life, maybe something important might have happened, important day when my brother took birth, or important day when I completed my matriculation education, whatever it is, whichever important day is there in your life, you should try to tell that. The person you like most, the person you like most, maybe your father, mother, and maybe any other person you like most, you think is an ideal for you, may be written in your essay. Like you can select any of your leaders or something like that, any sports person you like, any hero you like, so you can select that person and you can write that person I like most is this fellow. Like that you can go on enlarging the essay, but you have to enlarge it relating to the same topic. Otherwise you should not leave the topic and move on. So this is my request, and you can try and write one essay further for further reference also and practice also. So I want you, all of my students, to please write the essay. Next topic is making posters. Making poster is also one of the finest things, and it will enhance your vocabulary, it will enhance your skill. So like that, spare everyone the pain of blazing train, means he is reading, one fellow is reading, and that cylinder is there down. So this fellow is means never carry inflammable objects or lights fire inside a train, means this fellow, these are precaution for this fellow, and Indian Railway is providing these precautions. So the poster, after studying the poster, at least we should not do such things, and that is given in there. Please refer to other posters also. Till then, have a good time and see that your